Boil. To heat a container, especially one used for cooking. I didn't even know how to boil an egg. I need to boil some water. Chop. To cut something into pieces. I am chopping carrots on cutting board. Please chop the carrots up into small pieces. Flip. To turn over with a sudden quick movement. He is flipping the pancake. I flipped the coin on the air. Grate. To grind into shreds or particles by rubbing or scraping. She is grating the cheese on the pizza. I grated the carrots for the salad. Knead. To press something, especially a mixture for making bread, firmly and repeatedly with the hands and fingers. Please knead the dough until it is smooth. I am kneading the mixture into a smooth dough. Peel off. To remove the skin from a fruit, vegetable, or other food. She peeled off the apples. I am peeling off the banana. Pour. To cause to flow in a stream. I poured coffee for everyone. Would you pour some water into the glass? Sieve. To put a liquid or powder through a sieve. She is sieving the flour. I will sieve the rice. Sprinkle. To scatter in drops or particles. He is sprinkling a little colorful sprinkles on the cupcake. I sprinkled some salt in the soup. Squeeze. To exert pressure, especially on opposite sides of compress. She squeezed some juice out of the orange. He gave the sauce bottle a squeeze.